Your food is ready. Taken by server became Oluwasina.
I am not hungry. Ẹ dúró lọ sọ́fi ṣí ẹni. Kí ló tó kọ nífẹ̀ẹ́ kó máa nìyàn lára? Ṣé àárẹ̀ tó ṣe ó ti jẹ gbogbo ó ti jẹ wọnú àárẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé o ò mọ̀ tẹ́bí ò bá pààyàn àbí tẹ́bí bá pààyàn?
Ṣé o mọ adúrú wákàtí tí mo lò nínú kitchen yẹn tí mo ń prepare oúnjẹ knowing fully well that it's your favourite? Àbáwò kan ṣe máa jókòó síbi tó máa sọ fún mi pé ebi ò pa ẹ́.
Kí ló kọ́ mi pẹ̀lú gbogbo wàhálà tó ṣe? Ẹ̀wọ̀ bó ṣe ń làágùn bí ẹran tó fẹ́ lọ pàjẹ́. Ẹ̀wọ̀ bó ṣe ń sun mi. Few days now wàá break down. You look like some kind of vampire. Wàá máa wá human blood káàkiri. Èmi ni màá ti máa sáré èèyàn kiri. Don't worry alone. Don't cook my food. Don't touch my clothes. Don't come close to me. And I am done with this conversation.
Chris, I am your wife. And láti bàtà ti ṣègbéyàwó. Chris, you don't eat my food. You don't allow me to touch your stuff. You don't touch me, let alone I touch you. I am your wife. You are my husband. It is my duty to do all these things.
I said I am not interested.
You can't tell me you're not interested in this conversation. I am your wife. And it's my duty to wash your clothes, cook your food, and do all these things.
How dare you raise your voice at me? Ṣé mi ló pariwo? And I will do it again and again if care is not taken.
Chris, mo ní pé kí n bí ẹ pé wọ́n send script kan sí mi and wọ́n fẹ́ shoot movie very soon and mo ní pé kí n bí ẹ bóyá o lè fún mi ní just 2 days like ọjọ́ méjì péré mo kàn máa sáré lọ ṣé mo dẹ̀ máa sáré padà wá and.
No way. Possible. I have told you countless times. Tó bá ti jẹ́ nǹkan míì ni kò lè ṣe o. But tó bá ti jẹ́ pé eré orí ìtàgé ìṣá ni kò lè work.
But Chris, this is what I studied in school. This is what I've always wanted to become. And Bukini, when you proposed to me, so why the sudden change of plans?
Okay? Leave me. Actress. Really? Who's going to take care of the house? And about... Please, I don't even want to talk, okay?
What is your problem? Every time I try to talk about this thing, you're always making it seem like as if these people called actors, they are some kind of advanced prostitutes. Which is not so, and you know it. Why are you always castigating? Why are you always trying to make everything impossible? Mama, so it makes sense. They don't want, some people don't want to get married, and they're always out there at night doing so many things. As if you are there. Are you there with them? Every profession always has something that has to do with this, and the fact that these people are in the limelight is the only thing that makes the difference. Why don't you just listen and reason with me? Fine. If it's about taking care of the house, I'm going to dedicate my time to take care of the house. And when we start having kids, I know of people that are actresses, that they have happy home, and they're married, they have kids they are proud of, and so many things. Their husband is happy, their kids are happy, and everything is fine. Please.
So mi ò tiẹ̀ ní lè ṣe mistake ní any misunderstanding pẹ̀lú ìyàwó ojú mi àti wà ní gbogbo poster their newspaper their media whatever máa pariwo one Mrs. Christopher had a fight with her. Really?
I'm done with this conversation. Don't dear.
You know, this is the only thing God has it to. It's the only thing I've always wanted to do. Please.
This conversation is over. Tó bá ti jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ football, he is still my best striker. Any day, anytime.
So is that why you didn't show up at the golf center yesterday?
Golf center.
You really missed a lot.
You know, Muko decided to take time out with my beautiful woman.
Ben Thierry.
Oh, èmi náà ti actually miss the big girl there. And one of these days, if I are less busy, I will find time to come and check on you guys.
But ìwọ ló máa sóúnjẹ torí nǹkan yọ kan tí mo missing pa ẹ nìyẹn.
Yeah. But anytime you're most welcome.
Oh, but anyway, welcome. What about tomorrow? And how is it gonna be?
Tomorrow.
Má sọ fún mi pé o ti gbàgbé.
Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́la? Please. Remind me.
Hello, Richard. Today is my birthday. Thank you. Thank you. Amen. Sugar. I just mute you. What's it? My place about to and then bye. Sugar. Really nice.
Like a dream I met you here by my side few years ago. Monoja ifetiti ukorira. I keep knocking on your door, but you wouldn't show your green light, so I couldn't go.
Today is my birthday.
I know.
Stay with me tonight.
Get up and get dressed. Richard promised to take us out on your birthday. He insisted though. Thank God it's a Sunday. Ṣé sáà àti lo study? Mo dẹ̀ sọ pé o fẹ́ practice. Okay. Mo ti rò ó. Mo wá fẹ́ put it into test. Tó bá convince me. Fine. Today, o máa act like a married woman with a loving husband. I know they need stop. Títí dìgbà tí mo bá ní kó stop. Take it.
Take it.
Okay. I need to drive a lost town. Be able to my display.
I'm very sorry I kept you waiting. Actually at London. Then Chris got called from the office and only last was office. Èmi tell him my dúró fún bóyá ló máa padà wá but ó dà pé nǹkan tó ṣe máa take long so ó sọ pé kémi máa because we were already losing daylight.
Oh, it's okay, it's fine. But Yvonne.
Yeah?
Are you sure you're okay?
What a question. Of course I'm fine. I mean, you know, for you to get married to the man of your dream, wake up every morning beside him, eat well, breathe well, drink water. Life is beautiful.
If I may ask you, the second code of friendship is what?
No. No lies.
No lies.
No lies.
But for the very first time in life today, your nails are so rough.
The Bible, you know I don't keep rough nails unless I've not been happy for a long time.
And fun. Your sense of humor is always so high that you are always the first to laugh at every joke. And you're always the last to stop laughing. But I noticed that the last time I came to your place, or for not I said with Chris, you were not even laughing.
Richard, marriage changes a whole lot of things about people. And about my nails, I've been busy. But me, Mama soon. Richard not going to about phone every time. I'll be cooking for him every day, every night. I'm going to daddy. Even at night, I can't sleep. I get so busy. I can't. My nails are. I've been busy.
Yvonne. You know one thing about light? You'll be needing a whole lot of lights to cover up what's going on. Like full housewife, and you claim to be busy. So tell me, what is it that you've been doing that have been keeping you busy?
Richard, it's my birthday. Can we just change this conversation?
Okay. Let me ask you this, right? What will you be needing for your birthday? So I and Chris can get it for you.
Anything.
Yes, anything.
Maybe, dildo.
Oh, come on, you must be joking.
That's it. Richard, I'm hungry. I need food.
Hey man, are you sure wifey is okay? Because it seems like something she's not saying. Talk to her.
Hello, baby. Of course, I'm fine. Richard, don't very too much of questions. Blow me and I'm fine. Oh, sure, it's fine. I know, sure.
Excuse me. I would like to tell you some things. I'll be right back. Then I will get it. Chris, I am dying. Some months ago, I was feeling dizzy, so I went to see the doctor. And the doctor said I've been feeding on contaminated food that is poisonous to my body. I got drugs and I got better. But a few weeks ago, Motu noticed same symptoms. Then I went to the doctor. Ode jeko yemi pe mo tin feed on poison. It isn't about me wanting to kill myself, it's about someone trying to kill me. Yes.
Tildo, how dare you humiliate me like that? Sorry, Epesa. Tildo, of all things. Ah, God. God.
What do you expect me to say? You don't fucking so. Ever since we've got married, you don't touch me. You don't eat my food. You don't drink my water. You don't even allow me to touch you. Why do I have to pay this much price for loving you? The price I pay is love for the countless times I've wept beside you every night without your shoulders to lean on. It's not for the countless times I've said sorry even when I wasn't wrong. What have I done? What have I done to deserve this?
I am just getting started with you. Mi ò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ o. Mo ṣe fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ ni. Tí n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ, àrẹ akọ.
No. This is not the man. This is not the man I married. This is not my Chris. This is not you.
You're looking for your Chris.
You lost him a long time ago. You lost him a few days before you get married.
What is happening in my marriage? What is happening? Christmas!
Goodness. Ah, God. I can't believe I didn't get the food. Hi.
Yvonne!
No, come alone.
Marvin, Mom, Shishan Kitchen, welcome.
Epele, Shishan Kitchen, we bring your Shishari. See, I forgot to get food. Timofeje. I wanted either fried rice or jollof rice. Muti bag baking running eatery to 1 3 junctions away.
It's all good. Fried rice, no more sheton, peludodo. Like the exact way to shima like it.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. That's fine. I'm not just interested in that, okay? It's eatery alone, major. Eatery to 1 3 junctions away. Just please get me either fried rice or does anyone?
Oúnjẹ tó ní kí n lọ bá ìrà wá ní eatery. Ṣé òun mo ṣe.
Mi ní mi ò jẹ. Mi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tí mo sọ nìyí tó mú mi jẹ́ ní kó lọ́ra fún mi jáde.
And please, my better láti mú khaki, okay? Take a bite.
Kada.
Mo rán ẹjọ́ tó ìjọsẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ àbí. A padà sílé nígbẹ̀ múra sí.
Má bínú pé mo pẹ́. Bike man tó gbé mi lọ bọ́ sí gọ́tà. Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo rà kàn wà messed up, so mo ní láti padà síbẹ̀ láti lọ get another one. I'm sorry.
Where is the food I sent you?
Chris, mi ò rò kó gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ ń sìn. Oúnjẹ tí mo sè sílẹ̀ fún ẹ nílé, Ode, ó sọ fún mi pé kí n lọ máa bá ra same thing. Oh, jẹ́ kí n máa jump from one olokada to the other and got me into this mess, and that is all you can say?
Are you expecting me to nominate you for an Oscar? Pé mo rán iṣẹ́ òpẹ́ dé, o tún dé òun rojọ́ dídìn. Òun rojọ́ bí ọmọ kú lọ́wọ́ àdìtí. Kò sí nǹkan tó mọ̀ ṣíṣà.
O mọ kankan ṣe láyé ẹ ju kó fọ́ọ̀sì ká máa wẹ́jẹ̀ kiri fún ẹ. Are you that useless?
Oúnjẹ tí mo rán ẹ lè fún mi.
Yvonne! Come back here.
Don't touch me! Don't ever touch me! What do you want from a woman that I've not given you? Love? Attention? Forgiveness? Care? Obedience? Faithfulness? Everything! I go out of my own happiness to make you happy. Why are you treating me like a slave? I repeat, I am not a slave. I am your wife.
Shut up. I want you never to raise your voice.
I will raise my voice at you. I am a woman. I have feelings too. I am not a wood. I am pained. I am tortured, overused, abused, taken for granted, and I can't take this anymore. I can't!
Yvonne, you are nothing but a piece of worthless trash.
For your own good. Wà lọ tún oúnjẹ yìí rà padà. And I'm giving you just 30 minutes. Tí oúnjẹ yóò bá débi, wà á kàn dínú yọ̀, máa lù ẹ́ bí ẹni lu bàtà ni, àfi bí pé mi ò mọ̀ ẹ́ rí.
Is this a marriage or a trap? Hello, Richard.
What's up, wifey? How you doing?
My uncle.
Oh, guess what?
So.
Mr. Agbaje wants to shoot the movie version of the play titled Hey.
And then go on love from cause audition for when you now can they pick our cast.
He has decided to use the same old cast. He has been looking everywhere for us. And finally, he got my number and he called me today.
Why would they have to use the first cast from our Wakiri?
He said he would like to meet us on the 24th of this month. And guess what? The pay is huge.
Date was a powerful meeting though. So myself and my husband were in a meeting, about to come meeting, and then I'm a work by velocity, our cotton shikomo, and from there I'm a
Yvonne, this is not you. You and I know that you love acting so much as you love the story. And see, Dada, this used to be your favorite stage play back then in school.
okay, fine. To get me, I'm lying. The truth is, Chris won't let me come.
Kí ló fa gbogbo òṣì yẹn? Èmi ló ni mo ti warn ẹ pé kó yé máa drag orúkọ mi into your conversation.
And how many times have I told you I'm tired of the lies you make me tell?
Yvonne.
Hello?
Chris, Jotori Ọlọ́run, mo bẹ̀ ẹ́ ní orúkọ Ọlọ́run. Let me be in peace. Jẹ́jẹ́ bí mo ṣe wà. I am not feeling too well. I've been vomiting all over the place since. Jotori Ọlọ́run, I'm not ready for all this. You're shouting, fighting, and everything.
Orí ò dá fọ́rọ̀ tó sọ, èmi ni mo scream. Pé wèrè ni mí ní ẹ̀yìn àbí?
Hello, Yvonne.
Wèrè yẹn fún ẹ. Kẹ́ni tó bá èmi ni mo sọ fún pé mo pariwo. Èmi ni mo pariwo, kí ló fòṣì yẹn fún ẹ? Kí ló fòṣì yẹn fún ẹ? Má bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, má pariwo. Mo fẹ́ lọ sí ẹ̀jú.
Orí mọ́lágége, ajá òrùṣọ, gbogbo gbé báàgì sápá kan. Ó bá tún jù dìrèkè. Ìwọ. Ó lóyún. Ó wá ń bí kiri nílé. Ó tiẹ̀ ti dá. Aláti ṣe mí báyìí. Òun ló máa ti ṣe ara ẹ̀.
Kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Inú kí ló finú ṣe, kí ló jẹ́? Kí ló dé? Yóò wá ní kàlámọ̀ tó sọ di ṣẹ́ bí kòkì. Àwọn akọ́jẹ́ lè kọ́ sí ìfi kòkì ní lákìsà. Ìyá kìí bí ẹ lọ sí kíní o.
Dókítà sọ pé ààrẹ ti yá.
Kí ni dókítà sọ pé ṣe mí?
Not feeding well. Stress. Ọmọ fi ń dá ẹ lójú pé gbogbo yẹn ti di àfihàn tí gan fi ṣọ́. Wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí feed well and you won't stress yourself much. I promise. Ọ̀nà máa discharge ẹ lẹ́nu. Wọlé. Wọlé.
Hello? Yeah, nigga, what's up? Hello, Richard. Yeah. Bolo, hospital. Oh, okay. My baby, I'll meet you there. All right. That's it.
Oh, good morning. How was your night? Okay. I want to ask you something.
Listen.
What will you do if the most dearest or precious thing to you is taken away from you? Kí ló máa ṣe?
Well, I'll just let it go. Knowing fully well that if it's mine, kò sí bó ṣe lè lọ tó bó pẹ́ bóyá ó máa padà wá jẹ́ tèmi. And if it's not mine, no matter how hard I try to make it stay, bó pẹ́ bóyá ó máa padà.
Ó pẹ́ títí àkàlùbà kò bàbá. That's cool. So, what will you do? Tí nǹkan tó bá ń múnú ẹ̀ dùn tó bá padà jẹ́ kó bú sẹ́kùn.
Come. At least that is what I'm doing, obviously. So.
It's okay. I'm traveling to Abuja. I'll be back tomorrow. Guess I can come back today. Okay, Richard. Go to hospital. So, open we just can love winning. But with the look of things, I don't think you will be able to do that. So, I think you should do that.
Please, I hope it's nothing serious. At the to sick.
I don't think it's something so. Open me not listen for me. So I made tea so you can take along to Batin Law. Okay?
Please, báwo lo ṣe feel sí? As in,
Yvonne, I'm running late, and I advise that you don't stay long there.
Oh my God. Kí ni doctor sọ fún ṣe? And how long have you been here? Please don't tell me anything.
Your nails still looking very rough, Yvonne.
The doctor said I've been taking poison.
Richard.
Someone has been trying to kill me, but I think I'm more scared than you now. Because the last time the doctor gave me some drugs, he said the next time I'm about to check, or drink to the poison, that I'm going to vomit. And if I'm unable to vomit it all, I may not stay longer. So really, we should suffer Chris. Kó bá mi sọ fún ẹ. Kó bá mi ṣe nǹkan tí màá jẹ. Yvonne, who made this tea?
Alright, Richard. Who are hospital? So, open me. We just can law winning. But with the look of things, I don't think you will be able to do that. So, I think you should do that.
Please, I hope it's nothing serious. That's about to sick.
I don't think it's something so. Open me not listen for me. So, I made tea so you can take along to Batin Law. Okay?
Please, báwo lo ṣe feel sí? As in,
Yvonne, I'm running late, and I advise that you don't stay long there.
Chris. But please, stay with me, okay? Everything is supposed to be fine. I don't want to leave a day without you here, please.
Please promise me. Just promise me that when I leave, you won't scream. You will just leave. Let me talk with you for me.
You're not going to leave. Remember, we promised friends forever, always together.
That would really hurt me more. Yvonne, promise me. Please, promise me that your nails will never be rough again. Promise me that you will be happy. You will be free and become anything you want be in life. Maybe I was right about the top person. Maybe he is not a friend, nor an enemy, but a total stranger who has given me so much beautiful memories. And anytime to back Padawa, to realize mistakes, so for me, what did I reach? You were not dead, Damiji. Remember our third code of friendship.
Forgiveness. No matter how deep it hurts, no matter how deep the wound is. Oh, Richard, please. Don't leave me alone here. I need you beside me. It's scary. I promise I will never leave your side again. I will stay with you. I'll wash your clothes. I'll cook your favorite food and we'll eat it together. I'll find your nails. I'll pull your hairs. I'll stay with you always. I will never leave your side again. I promise. Richard, please.
I was going to tell you something about 4 years ago on my birthday. But I pretended to suddenly forgot.
Also, cover some for me after class. So just for fun.
Oh yeah, to tell you that tomorrow is my birthday.
Cheers, Gabby.
Yeah, it's my birthday tomorrow.
Thank God it's a Saturday, so I'm
And what's so special about that?
Because it's your birthday. And you're my friend. And to your Yoruba exists, then we are limited. So it's special.
Whatever. Only nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ náà. But I'm going to tell you on that your so-called special day,
so,
which is my birthday.
You got to first offer me. Call me pay Oladimeji birthday.
Oh yeah.
So got to first offer me was your birthday.
Sure, I'm going to tell you tomorrow.
I think I'm in love with Chris.
You in love with who?
I'm just scared to tell him because I don't know what he's going to say. And I'm scared. What if he doesn't love me back? Okay, today is your birthday. I know something funny got to first offer me. Only myself me like your birthday. So, what is it?
I can't really remember. I can't remember.
I was going to tell you that I love you, Yvonne.
Like a dream, I met you here by my side. Few years ago, Monoja Ifatiti Ukorira. I keep knocking on your door, but you wouldn't show your green light, so I couldn't go. Only Conti Moon maybe stay, stay with me tonight. Do to me tonight. Cause I'm loving.
I'll cook your best food and we'll go together, we'll play, we'll friends, we can everything is going to Bridget.
Dear son, hope you are good and the city is doing fine. I decided to write you because it's been a while you came visiting. Even if not for my sake, for the sake of your little son. Chris has a son? Womb damaged due to abortion? Ìgbà wo ni mo ṣe abortion? I was never pregnant.
Wọ́n ní ewu bẹ́ẹ̀ lóko ló ń gẹ́. Some even said ló ń gẹ́ fúnra rẹ̀ ewu.
Kí ni doctor sọ bó ṣe?
Not feeding well. stress.
Timu kebida sinu. Tanyo horo temi fu. Ora buruku zingolero. Oh, I don't know where to go. Aye, walade go. Toba toya wani kwe kokuma. Where's the love we promised? You're not the man I used to know. Hey, where are you? Oh, so pe o ma to wale. I can't find you in your room. Baby, I'm going crazy. As in,
I used to believe this is not right. But the fact that you might be carrying my baby would make me feel safe. I deliberately didn't use condom last night.
We can fool some of the people all of the time, or even fool some of the people all of the time, but we can't always fool all of the people all of the time. What if he gets to know I'm pregnant for you? What if I eventually get pregnant for you? Well, maybe I'll just abort it or just make him believe it's baby. Because it wasn't part of the plan that we were going to get pregnant. Fine, we had the plan to just make him keep looking like this fool that he is and then get the money and then run away. But since the story is going to turn out this way, let's just enjoy the whole thing while it lasts.
But
Whoa, again, we got him.
Some even said longer for
You used to believe this is not right. But the fact that you may be carrying my child would make me feel safe. I deliberately didn't use a condom.
What is your problem? I can't explain.
Chris! See, I can't explain.
Who are you?
This is what happened.
Chris!
Did I propose to you?
You killed him!
I didn't kill no one. The day I proposed to you, I overheard him telling you that you're telling him that you're pregnant. So put you òun dẹ̀ sọ pé òun lo rọ́bà tábùbù nígbà tó ń bẹ ní nǹkan papọ̀. Going to me, I don't know pé ẹ̀yin méjèèjì rí ẹ̀sìn ní mo rò pé òótọ́ lẹ bá débẹ̀ ni. I felt betrayed. Pé ẹwà ohun tí mo pè lọ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ mú nǹkan gbẹ̀yìn ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. I feel betrayed. There was nobody I could talk to.
So you killed our friend!
No, it's not what you think. It wasn't intentional. See,
You killed our friend!
no, I didn't mean to do that. I felt betrayed. I was.
Chris, you had a son. All this while, you never said
No, I can't explain that. I can't explain that.
Chris, you
That's
had
way
a
back
son.
in secondary school. I went out with my friends. We went clubbing. They were like, okay, I need to do what big boys do. And they got me a lady. And then we had something together. And that was it. Months later, lady then completely me àti ẹjọ́ ní nǹkan pọ̀, ó ṣì máa lóyún. Mo dey admit, but my mother decided to take it and take care of the baby. few years after, Bunkunmi ti kú. Wait, don't tell Oluwa come on, you should go or something. So, Yvonne, trust me, I love you, I mean well for you. No. Right?
What did you do to my womb?
Oh,
You lied to me.
no, I was protecting you.
What did you do to my womb?
When I saw you vomited, that's when you told me. I was like, is it going to be possible? You're carrying the child of my best friend, and I'm in love with you, and I don't want to lose either of you. Then we decided to take the doctor. The doctor came and gave you an injection so that unknowing to them that you don't have any baby inside of you. I think that was how the womb got destroyed, but I love you.
You gave me
Don't do that. No, it's not. No, Yvonne. Yes! Yvonne! Yeah!
I'm sorry. Hello? What is happening in this relationship? Stop it. I can't even watch it. Okay. Sit down. I love you. Can you please listen?
Keep quiet.
I'm sorry. Baby, I'm going crazy. As in, you were loving and caring to me before I said I do. Oh, you're not a man I used to know.
Oh God. I remember. Pain, the game, the joy, the sorrow, the laughter, the tears, everything.
Do you know this guy playing his own character?
I don't think I really know the person, but I'm sure he's not a friend. Kodeli Jotawa.
He's not a friend. He's not an enemy.
Chris, you killed him! You killed him! You fucking killed him! He was our friend. Chris, he loved you so much. He would give up anything in this world for you. He will sacrifice his happiness for you as long as you're happy. Chris, you killed him. I have never hide anything from you before. But why should you want to come in your software? We shared everything together. The three of us, we ate together, we drink together, we played together, we did everything together. And all along you had a son and you never told me. Chris, you had a son? What are we friends for? If we get to call each other and and tell each other, have you betrayed me? Have you cheated on me? What are we friends for if we can just explain how we feel about each other? What are we friends for if we keep keeping secrets for each other? As if that was not enough, Chris. You took my womb. You took my womb. Chris, I can't even have a baby. Just because we asked for a conversation, you took my womb. You killed our friend. Chris. You know what? Everything looks like a dream. And or maybe, you know, we could just make it a movie, you know, and then you play the devil. You're going to be the devil, and then I'll be myself. But then I will need you to go call the third cast. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't kill you.
Our third code of friendship.
What is the third code? Forgiveness. No matter how deep it hurts, no matter how deep the wound is.
Anytime tó bá padà wá, tó bá realize mistakes ẹ̀, sọ fún pé mo ti dáríjì. Ìwọ náà dẹ̀ dáríjì.
Forgiveness. We promise to always forgive each other, no matter what happens. Kill me, but forgive me.
So I should remember. Interesting. You remember the third code? And you poisoned your friend. Remember forgiveness, eh? You damaged my womb. You remember forgiveness? You ruined everything.
Maybe stay with me tonight. Do to me tonight. Cause I'm loving you. Baby, I wouldn't lie. You're the bottom. Nobody drew my drew. I will wait for you my whole life.
Even if man forgives, how can man forget?